Hello, everybody. Welcome to the kickoff stream of the second edition of the AMD Developer Hackathon with LabLab. It's going to be an amazing week of building AI agents and high performance AI apps on AMD GPUs in the cloud. This time we're running fully online from July 6th, so today to July 11th, and we've got $15,000 in the prize pool. When we all at the LabLab team saw how many people sign up to this one, we got so excited, and now we're even more excited to see what you all built during the next 7 days, hackers. So let's get straight to it. My name is Joanna, and I'm the head of marketing at Natively AI, and I'll be here to explain you step by step how this hackathon works, what are the rules, what are the prizes, the challenges, and how to access the technology you'll be building with, and also give you the full hackathon walkthrough. So if this is your first hackathon ever with LabLab, I'll make sure to tell you everything you need to know to succeed at this hackathon and have no doubts on how to submit your project at the very end. Let's start with the event schedule. So we're kicking off right now with this stream. This stream will be saved on LabLab AI social media channels, so you'll be able to revisit that. Also, you'll be able to revisit that on the registration page of the hackathon that you used to sign up to take part in this hackathon. So whenever you wanna check it out again, you've got a chance to. Now we're going to hear the opening words from the LabLab team and all our partners, as well as, of course, one and only AMD. Then I'll introduce you to the challenge and give you the hackathon guide session. And as we wrap this stream, I would love to invite you all to join our Discord Q&A session. It's happening at 7 p.m. CET on the LabLab Discord server. So if at the end of the stream, you've got any remaining questions, feel free to jump straight there. Our mentors will be here to answer any of the questions you might have. And next, the very important day to keep in mind is July 11th, 6 p.m. CET. This is the end of submissions. So mark this down in your calendars and make sure to submit your projects by that exact time. Without further ado, I would love to introduce our speakers. First of all, let's start with the opening words from Paweł Czech, the co-founder of LabLab AI. Paweł, the floor is yours.
Hi everybody, my name is Paweł Czech. I'm the co-founder of LabLab.ai. Welcome to another LabLab Hackathon. It's a real pleasure to have you here. Thank you for joining us. Over the next few days, you'll be participating in a true innovative process. You can find team members, access new technologies, and win amazing prizes. Regardless of whether you're joining us online or physically, I really hope that you're gonna find true joy in the act of building. I often say that building companies or building software is similar to writing a poem or a song. It is the act of creation, which for me means taking something out of nothing. And it's not easy. It's always difficult to be a builder, to be an innovator. But today, when you joined a LabLab Hackathon, you've already taken the first step to winning. And regardless of the outcome of the specific hack, I hope that you find amazing people in our community of creators and innovators. Once again, thank you to all the partners and the sponsors for this specific event. Please check out all the tech that's available for you. Make sure to connect with our team and ask any questions. Enjoy the next few days, and I hope that you continue to build with us in our ecosystem. Please check out our other services and our other initiatives to make sure that you can have a full journey from idea to prototype, MVP, and then building your company into an actual business. Have a great time and see you on the next one.
All right, folks. Now it's time to hear the opening words straight from AMD itself. I would like to invite to the stage Ramina Rosen, Corporate VP at AI at AMD.
Hi everyone, I'm Ramin Rowan, Corporate Vice President of AI Applications and Developer Relations at AMD. I'm really happy to welcome you at this hackathon. This hackathon is about building state-of-the-art AI application like agentic workflows, fine-tuning of models, and also image and multimodal workflows. We have $20,000 of prizes which you can win if you share your experiences on social media along the way. At AMD, what really matters to us is what you build on our platform. So we're trying to remove the friction and enable you. And for that, we have created a developer program. If you look up AMD AI Developer Program and register to it, you will see that you get free data center GPU credits. We have MI300 and MI355 on our dev cloud. We also give you free training, including 1 month registration to Deep Learning AI Pro. And we have engineering support on Discord. So with that, I would like to wish you good luck. And please feel free to break things, try crazy things, and the outcome at the end really matters. But what is really the most important, I think, for you is the connection you will make during this hackathon and the experience you will gain from it. Thank you very much and have a great hackathon.
Okay, guys, and now it's time to hear from Natively AI. Time to invite Adam Mlady to the stage, and he's a DevRel at Natively AI. Time to hear about the native builder itself.
Hello everyone, Adam here. We also want to highlight Native Builder as one of the tools available during this hackathon. Native Builder is Natively AI's build environment. It is an AI factory for creating apps, workflows, agents, and prototypes quickly. If you have an idea and want to turn it into something actually working, Builder can help you move from prompt to workflow to project, all with AI at its core. For this event, Builder can work with Fireworks-supported model access where applicable, depending on your track, setup, and provider access. So please check your challenge requirements before finalizing your stack. Builder is only optional, but it is a great way to prototype faster, test ideas, and to keep building after the hackathon. You can access Native Builder through the Lab team flow by pressing on the Get Started button in the Technology section. We will also share more support during the event over on the Discord. So remember, bring an idea, build the workflow, and then ship something real. Now, follow me for a quick walkthrough. I'll show you how to get started in Native Builder by creating an example amp from just one prompt. First, I'm opening Native Builder from the Lab flow in the Technology Partners section. I'll click Start Building, Build Now. And Builder here is where you can quickly turn a simple idea into an actual working app, a workflow, or a prototype. But before building, I'm checking the integrations, because for this event, Fireworks supported model access can be used inside Builder where applicable. So make sure your accounts and credits are connected if your setup supports it. Here's where you'll select the model. Fireworks will show up here once connected. I'm going to use DeepSeek for now. I have a pre-made prompt, and in this case, I am going to make a simple team project hub. I'm telling it what I want it to look like, what sections to include, what I don't want it to have, and at the end, I'm telling it to keep it lightweight, simple, and demo ready. Builder is now turning the prompt into a working front-end app. I kept the request simple on purpose. No backend, no login, no database. And the fastest way to start is to simply build the core experience first, and then iterate. Although those extras, you can definitely throw those in there if you want. It'll ask you questions right from the assistant. How should the page navigation work? Sticky top, side scroll, minimal fixed. Let's go with scrollable. It will ask you more and more questions throughout and tell you which agent is at right here. You can select directly what you need, the builder, the task planner, but it's in the product architect phase right now, creating the PRD and the task that it's going to build from there. To see the tasks, click up here, and you can see them all in that section. Switch into the task planner, and it will fill this section out for us. Down below, while it's thinking and building, you can select the model on the fly, add attachments from your computer, like doc files and Markdown from anywhere else you have saved. Your integrations, one tap to get you there. And once it's actually built, you can visually edit with this. You can circle the sections you want and change just that section. It's building and we're letting it do its process. So while we're doing it, let me show you the rest. Up here, code. This is the actual coding of the project itself. You gotta admit that's so much easier than having to use Claude Code or ChatGPT right here. But the biggest difference is our token usage right here. Even if I wanted to use ChatGPT or Claude or Fireworks, the token usage here is so demonetized, it's much safer for your wallet in the long run. Next here we have the PRD, which it is going to use to break down the tasks. And creates a nice document section for your GitHub when you do actually sync that up, which is going to be done through your integrations. Printed up a nice overview for us. Description, goals, stories, breakdown. It's already switched to the builder, so that means the tasks are already completed. So up here, we have the task section. There we go. 7 tasks, switching to the builder so it can get to work. I mentioned the GitHub up here in the right-hand corner. Sync to GitHub. It'll automatically create a page for you, a repository, and it'll fill out all the code, the documents, everything that you built. So much easier than having to do the git push through the terminals. We have down below here in the task section, shows you what's in progress. It'll show you what's being done, and you can actually rearrange these if you see a priority that you want done in a certain way. If you want to add to them, delete some of them, edit them, however you see fit. Easy to use. Camden style board view. But while that's being built, I'm going to go back here to preview. Just let it build. Once it does have a semblance of an app already built for you, the front end will show here. And if you have auto fix on, you can test out the app right here while it's being built. So now we just wait out the process. Task 1 is complete. In process is task 2. Remarkably simple way to make any kind of app, project, or prototype. Right now it's building the hero section with the title, the subtitle, animated badge for the in progress section. If it ever seems stuck at all, you can always just hit reload and it'll rebuild the previous section accordingly. But right now I'm going to let it just do its thing. If you didn't want to use GitHub too, down below in this bottom right hand corner, you have a download source code. So that'll download the whole thing for you right to your computer in a nice zip file. You can work on it locally. Test it however you see fit before you push it up to Git. Boom. Done, 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 done. Now let's preview the page. Going to the preview section. And look at that. Team Project Hub. Building the future of collaborative work one sprint at a time. We have the project overview, API rewrite, and a mobile app configuration. Here you have your team settings. Give everybody what their title and roles are. Down below, we have ourselves the list section of what's to do, what's still in progress, what needs to be done, what is done. It all can be edited. Who's assigned to? Well done. Canvas style here. We have the timeline of how it's kicking off, when's it due, when the certain milestones should be done, when we can actually put this out for release. Now we have a simple Team Project Hub app with an in-progress badge, project overview, team section, task board, timeline, resources, and to-do, in progress, and done columns. That is the basic builder workflow. You start with a simple idea, and then you describe what you want clearly. You preview the results, and then you can keep iterating. Now, I want you guys to go ahead and build natively with AI at its core, and enjoy your hackathon event. Good luck.
Guys, let's get straight to the opening words from Ian Ballantyne, the developer relations engineer at Google DeepMind, as Google DeepMind is also the partner of this hackathon. Ian, the floor is yours.
Hi folks, welcome to the AMD Developer Hackathon. My name is Ian Ballantyne. I'm a developer relations engineer at Google DeepMind, and I lead the Gemma developer experience team. And I'm really excited to be here. We have seen incredible growth in open models since we launched Gemma 4 back in April, for models that are multimodal, that can understand the world, that can take action, that can code, and will run on anything from IoT or mobile devices all the way up to laptops, desktops, and single GPU cloud. We're super excited to sponsor the Best Use of Gemma Models Challenge, which is the use of Gemma models within AMD GPUs and on Fireworks AI. So you can access those through the Fireworks AI credits or the AMD Developer Cloud. And we work closely with both those partners to optimize our models for GPUs and those platforms as well. So good luck on everything in the hack. I hope all the ideas flow. I hope you have some exciting things you can do, especially with some of the bigger models. And we look forward to seeing what kind of things you'll build with Gemma. So thank you.
Thank you so much, Ian. That was great. And yeah, we're all super happy to have Google DeepMind joining another hackathon with LabLab. Now, guys, let's jump straight to the hackathon challenge. So at this edition, we've got 3 challenge tracks. So each one is basically designed to push the boundaries of what AI can do right now. However, we wanted this to be quite flexible. So no matter what level of AI fluency you're at, whether you are a very beginner and this is your first time building with AI, or you're super experienced and you're at the top level, we've got something for everybody. At this edition, you'll be building on AMD Developer Cloud, ROCMs, and Fireworks AI API credits. Regarding the details of every single challenge we've got at this edition, make sure to check out the event page, the registration page that you used to sign up on lablab.ai, and read once again all the details regarding the hackathon challenges to make sure before you start building to be 100% sure that you're sticking to the hackathon challenge, as this is really, really important here. So let's get straight into the tracks. Track 1. In track 1, you'll be building the general purpose AI agent. So the AI agent that can handle a wide variety of everyday tasks, things like answering factual questions, summarizing text, classifying sentiment, spotting name entities, solving logic puzzles, and even writing or fixing code. So you're challenged to build the AI agent that will be powered by Fireworks AI models. And here's the key twist. It's not just about getting the right answer. It's all about being efficient. So the most accurate and token efficient agents rank highest on the leaderboard. Regarding submitting your project, you'll package and submit your project as a Docker container. Then let's jump to the second track. And if you choose this track, you'll be building a video captioning agent. So track 2 is all about division. You build an AI agent that watches short video clips and writes captions in 4 different styles: formal, sarcastic, humorous with a tech angle, and humorous without one. And the challenge, your agent needs to generalize. It will be tested on videos it has never seen before. So it must truly understand what's happening on the screen and not just repeat what it was trained on. Then jumping straight to the third track. This is the unicorn and basically open innovation. So I would call it that track 3 is our wildcard. Here you can build anything you want. It can be an app, a tool, a creative project, as long as it uses AMD compute resources and genuinely pushes the envelope. We are looking for the most innovative, technically impressive, and practically useful submissions. So at this one, there are no constraints on what you can build. Sky is the limit, and we're waiting for you to surprise us. These are all the tracks that you can build on. So just choose one and show us what you've got. Regarding how you're going to be judged at this hackathon, for the first and second track, you will be scored via the leaderboard. So you can basically refer to the track details for scoring criteria. But for track 3, as this is the unicorn track on which you can really go wild, the judging criteria are, first of all, creativity and originality. So how unique is your approach to the solution that you're building? And you should really highlight the novel approaches and new behaviors. Then is the completeness. So how fully realized and functional the submitted project is. Then product or market potential. So the startup or product vision, the judges are going to check how compelling and viable the idea is in the real market context. So think of real world use cases. And last but not least, the use of the AMD platforms. So how meaningfully AMD infrastructure is incorporated into your project. Then, in addition to the 3 main tracks of this hackathon, we've got the challenge prepped by Google DeepMind, which is the Gemma challenge. Some of you, I know we've got some builders like you in here, have been with LabLab for years already. And some of you might remember that we actually had in the past a hackathon with Gemma. So this one, the Gemma challenge is back. So to those of you not familiar with Gemma, Gemma is a family of lightweight, open-weight AI models developed by Google DeepMind, which is designed to be openly available so you developers can run, customize, and build on it across a range of devices and applications. So if you want to incorporate the Gemma challenge into your project, make sure that you're still building on the challenge on the first, second, or the third track, and just add up Gemma to that to make it more extra and also surprise the Google DeepMind judges. Regarding all the details of the Gemma challenge, I would encourage you as well to visit the page that you used to register on lablab.ai for the AMD Act 2 hackathon, and check once again all the details to make sure that you're staying on track. And yeah, if you've got extra technology to build with, why not use that and power up your project? Then regarding the technology and access, at this hackathon, you should build using the AMD Developer Cloud with AMD GPUs, ROCMs, Fireworks AI API, and open source AI frameworks. I'm quite sure that all of you who already signed up for this hackathon are very aware of that, but we've got extra credits for you. And if you're just watching this stream right now and realize that you would like to join the other a couple of thousands builders building at this one, you still can. And here is what you will get. First of all, we've got the AMD Developer Cloud credits. So all the new signups to the AMD AI developer program will get $100 in AMD Developer Cloud credits. And this is basically on-demand access to AMD GPUs for training, fine-tuning, benchmarking, and deploying AI workloads. You'll get not only the credits, but also the access to AMD GPUs, and you can use it for fully cloud-based development. And guys, a very important thing to note. So I know that many of you have already participated in the first edition of the hackathon with AMD and LabLab. So if you've already used the credits for the first edition, please make sure to note that the credits we are getting at this edition are only for the new signups to the AMD AI Developer Program. And it's not only for the AMD Developer Cloud credits, but also for the Fireworks AI API credits. So jumping to Fireworks, you will get $50 in Fireworks AI API credits, access to AMD hardware, hosted models, and yeah, the models are going to be revealed today. So what is Fireworks AI API? This is a fast, scalable API access to AMD hardware models for inference, fine-tuning, and building AI-powered pipelines. So yeah, quite a lot to build with, and yeah, another piece of technology that will let you build even more creative solutions. So head over, new users, and use your credits and show us what you can build with that. Guys, and now it's time for a quick break because we'd love to introduce an extra tool that you can use for building at this hackathon with AMD. So before you start building, we need to highlight the tool available for you at the hackathon, which is Native Builder. So Native Builder is Natively AI's AI native build environment, which is designed to help you move from an idea into a working app, workflow, agent, or prototype way faster. So if you're participating in the hackathon and you want a place to quickly shape your idea, test a workflow, build an interface, or prototype an AI-powered experience, Builder is one of the tools you can use. The goal is simple. Build an idea, build the workflow, use AI at the core, move towards something working. And for this event, Builder can also work with Fireworks-supported model access where it's applicable. So if your setup, track, and provider access support Fireworks usage, you may be able to use that model access inside Builder as a part of your build process. So just make sure to check your specific challenge requirements. So once again, the reminder, read the challenge requirements because model access and credit plans can vary depending on the track. Builder does not replace the hackathon requirements. It's an optional tool to help you build faster and keep your project moving. You can find Native Builder through the LabLab team flow. So when you've already got your team created, you're registered for the hackathon, you open your team page, you will be able to access it straight from your LabLab team flow. So open it, start a project, choose the right approach for your idea, and use it to help turn your concept into working AI native software. We are also planning Builder support during the event, including a live build or a workshop session. So keep an eye on the event channels for that. If you are not sure where to start, think of Builder as a fast way to go from I have an idea to I have something I can test, improve, and submit. Built with native at the core. Yeah, we are really curious how you use that because it's really the tool that can speed up your work a lot. And it's a tool new to the market, so you're still one of the first people who will be able to use it. So go test it out and let's see how far it can take you. Now time to jump into the prizes section. So this time we've got $15,000 in the prize pool, and this is how it breaks down. So as you remember, we've got 3 tracks available. So we've got separate prize pools for every single track. At each track, the first place is getting $2,500 in cash. The second place, $1,500, and the third place, $1,000. So guys, make sure that when you submit your solution, you let us know which track you are building with, so the judges can actually know which prize for you're eligible for. We've got something extra at this hackathon. So some of you already know that because I saw a lot of activity on our live leaderboard. We've got the referral program. So if you decide to spread the word about this hackathon and invite your friends to join, you can actually score for extra prizes. And the prize pool for the referral program prizes is $1,000. So basically, each of you can generate their own link that you can send to any of your friends, share it on social media, on the groups of developers that you're members of, the communities, and basically invite other people to build at this one, either together with you or solo. So for the top referrers, so the people who invite the biggest number of people to participate in this hackathon, the first place is getting $500, the second $300, and the third $200. And also keep in mind that these prizes are half cash and half natively AI credits. So for those of you not familiar with natively AI yet, make sure to check it out. You are all the people who have already signed up for this hackathon are subscribed to the LabLab newsletter, and we've just sent this week a newsletter about natively AI and how you can access it and what it can do for you. So highly recommend checking that out, and then you can get extra credits to actually play with it. Now it's time for the hackathon walkthrough. So actually how to participate in this hackathon and how to properly submit your solution. So first of all, you register for this hackathon at lablab.ai. How to register if you haven't done so yet? You go to lablab.ai, click on AI Hackathons, and choose the AMD Developer Hackathon Act 2. You'll see the button Sign Up with AMD. You should click it, and you'll be redirected to the AMD landing page, letting you sign up for the AMD AI Developer Program. And once you fully complete the process of creating the account on AMD AI Developer Program, you'll be redirected back to LabLab website, and you've successfully signed up for the hackathon. After that, you should create or join a team, meet your team on Discord, come up with some concepts, start building, and in the end, submit your solution via lablab.ai. If you'd like to visit the full hackathon guide, you can scan the QR code that you can see right now on the screen and check out the full video on it. If you'd like to read it or watch the extra video that we've added there, you can revisit that anytime. So when the stress comes by the deadline, you can always make sure there that what are the next steps. Regarding the team creation, once you've already enrolled to the hackathon, the sign up with AMD button would change to create or join a team. So you should click it. And an important thing to note is that everybody who wants to build at this hackathon needs to have a team created. Teams can be from 1 to 6 people. So even if you are building solo, you still need to create a 1-person team. You can also, instead of just creating a team, you can join the existing teams. So if you just scroll down on your team dashboard, you'll be able to see the teams that are currently looking for extra team members. So you can just click on each team or on any team that you'd like to join, message them, and they'll get a notification that you'd like to join their team to join forces and build something even more powerful. You can also visit the LabLab Discord server, and we've got tons of people there looking for a team. So if you are looking for the team, just head over to LabLab Discord and send a message there, and I'm pretty sure that you'll find a team basically immediately, as this hackathon is running fully online, and we've got builders from all over the world. So yeah, there's always somebody looking for a team there. Then regarding mentorship, I'm pretty sure that some of you will have extra questions. So first of all, remember about the Discord Q&A session that is happening right after this stream on the LabLab AI Discord server. And if you haven't joined it yet, you can scan the QR code that you can see on the screen right now, and you'll be taken immediately to our Discord server to join it. And we've got dedicated Discord channels related to this hackathon. So if you have any questions about this hackathon specifically, please use the dedicated channels that you can see right now on the screen so you can get support ASAP. And regarding the types of questions, if you have any hackathon related questions, use the LabLab Discord server. However, if you have any questions specific to the AMD credits, specific to AMD technology, and you would like to contact the AMD experts, visit the AMD Discord server. So on the event page for this hackathon that you used to register, you can check out the link to the AMD Discord server, join it, and there are folks there all the time to help you out. Regarding the project deliverables that you need to submit by the hackathon deadline, which is July 11th, you should deliver us the product description, the presentation, which is a video that should not be longer than 5 minutes and no bigger than 300 megabytes. Remember that this needs to be an uploaded video via the LabLab website, not the link on YouTube or Google Drive. And also the GitHub link with the demo. Make sure that the link is working, that the link is public, so the judges can actually access that and check it out. Then regarding the actual project submission form. So at the moment when you are ready with your project and you want to send it out, you just need to go to your team dashboard that you use to creating your team. And you'll see a huge button, Submit Project, next to the counter that counts down the time left till the end of submissions. Click it out, and a submission form will pop up. What you need to do is fill out all the spaces within the submission form. So you should give your submission a title, write down the short description, long description, because the judges will be checking everything, the video, the text format, the PDF of the presentation, which can be like a one-pager or the full presentation if you'd like, and also the descriptions. So make sure to fill it out, and then you'll be guided through 3 very short pages that you just need to fill with all the information about what you built at this hack. And this leads us to the very end. So guys, I would like to encourage you to not only follow us and all the amazing partners of this hackathon and one and only AMD on social media, but also share your progress. Don't stay quiet about what you're building here. It's not only about winning of this hackathon, it's also about getting noticed, getting attention. We'll be amplifying the best posts that catch our attention, so you can get way more visibility as we fully support everybody building at this hack. I'd love to wish you all best of luck, but also when we wrap this hackathon, I'm pretty sure that many of you would like to keep the momentum going and join the upcoming hackathons. So we've just actually announced 2 new events that you cannot miss. So let's start with the AI Infra Summit Hackathon. This is the hackathon, which is hybrid, and this is an official hackathon of AI Infra Summit. We're building from September 15th to 17th. So you can build from wherever you are based, fully online, but also you can join us at Santa Clara for the AI Infra Summit itself, which will be super exciting. We've just announced it, so this is very fresh news. I will be announcing the full prize pool and all the partners and challenges for this hackathon, so stay tuned. But all of you who want to make it to Santa Clara in California, make sure to sign up already so you can have enough time to prep. And then we've got another hybrid hackathon happening in October from 19th to 20th. And it's also hybrid, so you can build from anywhere in here, but you can also join us for the on-site part in Amsterdam itself for the AI and Big Data Expo Europe conference. It's again the official hackathon of this conference. So whether you'd like to build fully online or make it to the conference itself to Amsterdam, you are more than welcome. And some of you already join us for the transforming enterprise through AI hackathon that just happened in San Jose a couple of weeks ago. So this is another edition happening in Europe. So keep the momentum going and join another challenge once we wrap this one. Now, all left for me is to wish you all good luck, hackers. Make sure to join our Discord Q&A session happening on the LabLab AI Discord server and show us what you've got. Best of luck building. And yeah, we're all super excited to see your projects. Best of luck and see you at the winner stream.